Let's start. Today we will see how to check if a source value is rising or not. Let's see the code. This is an indicator function with the name rising source. Here we call the rising function. We use close value as the source. And we have kept the length as 1. So this function will tell us if the close value of the current bar is rising or falling. If the close value is rising, we color it green. Otherwise we color it red. Finally, we plot the close value with the calculated color. Let's add this indicator to the chart. As you can see, whenever the close value of the bar is greater than its previous close, which means the close value is rising, our indicator shows a green color close value. And whenever the close value of the bar is lesser than its previous close, which means the close value is falling, our indicator shows a red color close value. Now, let's change the length of our indicator from 1 to 10. Now, this indicator will check if the close is rising for the last consecutive 10 bars or not. Let's see the chart. As you can see, now our indicator is totally colored in red color, as nowhere on the chart, the close value is rising for 10 consecutive bars. So that's it. That's how you can use the rising function to check if a source value is rising or falling. Thank you.